Hello guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I'm going to be talking about Chrome Flags. So Chrome Flags is an experiment feature by Chrome. And basically, it's all the Chrome experiments that Chrome is testing to see if they're going to put it in their, a new setting in their new update. So you could use all these features before the update even comes. And also these features might not even come in the update, but they'll still be in the Chrome experiment thing, or like Chrome experiment website. So this website is basically like a science lab with all these experiments you can use on your Chrome. On your computer. So the URL is Chrome // flags or colon. I call it 2 dots, whatever you want to call it. Open it up, and you go to this thing. And yeah. So I know it might look kind of like overwhelming and kind of like scary, but I'm telling you it's not really that scary, and after you learn everything, it will feel like such a amazing, cool thing. The first Chrome flag I'm going to be showing is auto dark for web content or dark mode. So you can type dark and you'll see this. Click on this and click on enable. Do not click on anything else, just click on the one that says enable. Okay, so click on that and click on relaunch. And when you go to a new tab, you'll see something a little bit interesting. When you go to a new tab, you'll see that everything is super dark. But just remember this, it's kind of like high contrast mode a little bit. Because as you can see, for some reason this icon had turned white, which is very weird, and it kind of acts like high contrast mode, so just be aware. And if you don't know what that is, it's kind of like pretty bright sometimes and also pretty dark, so yeah. The second thing I'm going to be talking about is smooth scrolling. So you're going to type smooth, and you'll see this. So enable this and relaunch it. So now, when you scroll down, it's so smooth and amazing. So now, the next thing is Touch UI layout. So type touch or just type TOU, and you'll see this. Click on enabled and click on relaunch. And as you can see, it's really big now, and this is very nice for like people who cannot see that clearly. It's just right there, and yeah. So now, the last Chrome flag is kind of like the brother or sister to Touch UI layout. It's called Web UI tab strip. So enable this. Okay. Okay. So now click on relaunch. And you know, it might be paused. I just had some technical difficulties, so I just went out to fix them. So as you can see, it looks even more weird. So as you can see, there's no sort of like tab or like line, I guess, or any tabs. And you'll see this little box that has numbers. When you click on it, you'll see all your tabs. And then if you want to add a new tab, you can click on the plus icon. It's kind of like the, I guess, mobile version of how tabs are that you can get on your computer. And if you have a lot of tabs, you can scroll through them. I'm just having some technical difficulty, as I told you, so for some reason it's not letting me scroll with my actual scroll thing, which is kind of odd. So yeah, I'm just gonna be scrolling it with this. So yeah, I have way more Chrome flags ready, but the thing is, I don't have any time, and also it's just gonna be so long. It's gonna be like 30 minutes if I tell all the Chrome flags. So, I might upload a part 2, maybe in like a few days, maybe a few weeks. I'm not sure. So, yeah. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and bye-bye.